back to the days right from my teens. I was really into the music, and that was mostly English music. Like, remember those 70s, 80s, 90s?
It's very nostalgic when you go back and you listen to those songs, right?
Yeah, and when you understand them, man, it's another story because, in that time, it was like just nice vibes, nice beats, but you didn't really had a clue what they are talking about. But now, oh, that's another story. Gotta tell you that.
They can definitely have a strong influence on you because artists, songwriters are very creative. They talk about very real issues, right?
Yes, and it's much more opportunities. Like, I mean, there is a local artist, right? But when you have that access to the, around the globe, that's different. The different point of view of life. And even though I do realize we all are the same underneath and we have approximately the same issues like humans, but it's interesting to listen people from the other side of the world.
You realize how different the lifestyles are as well, right?
Yeah.
Do you practice English with your wife as well?
Unfortunately not. She doesn't speak English at all. Like, nah.
That's cool.
Sometimes, in the morning, I forget about that and I just like wanted to talk to her in English and then oh man, you just gotta chill.
Like, comment, and subscribe. Click that bell notification. Follow me on HelloTalk. Follow me on Instagram. Subscribe. Am I finished?